Hi, my name's Nikki and I'm here with a company called Storm Interface. We're a manufacturer of assistive technology products, and our products are designed to be used by self-service manufacturers to help make their kiosks more accessible for people with disabilities. So you'll see this is a kiosk just like you will find at your doctor's office where you might be checking in for an appointment, or it might be on you might find self-service applications in pharmacies where you're going to pick up your prescriptions, or even at grocery stores, those devices where you can measure your blood pressure, where you sit on the seat and slip your arm into the cuff. Usually all of those devices are designed for use by the public, so they do need to be compliant with ADA, with the ADA standards, the Americans with Disabilities Act. And those standards require that those public use application products are usable by people with disabilities independently. So our device here, when installed into self-service, helps those people that can't use a touchscreen for whatever reason, and that could be because of blindness, or they can't read, have some sort of sight impairment, or they physically can't, they don't have control over their fingers and hands well enough to be able to actually navigate the options on the screen. So if people in those situations who can't use a touchscreen, they would use our device. So this would be where you would get the earbuds from your headphones that you use with your cell phone. We're using a speaker for demonstration purposes here. So the idea is that the blind person or the disabled person would connect a set of earbuds or an assistive headset.
Kiosk. The keypad on this kiosk has 4 arrow keys and a key with a circle on it in the middle of the arrow keys. Press the right arrow key to move to the next item.
And as you can hear, there's now an audio feed and it's explaining what's being presented on the screen. So it's reading through the options and telling the person, welcome to the check-in kiosk. You're going to be selecting the doctor's appointment that you're here for today. And then rather than use the touch screen, you would be using the buttons of the keypad to move through the options and make your selections. So we would be...
Please check in. Continue to select your doctor.
Continue to select your doctor. Press the middle key to activate. So we're going to activate that. And then again, it's moved to the next screen, and the screen reader is now reading out what's on that screen. So anybody who can't see the screen is hearing an audio description. So we're going to move through the options and listen to the doctor's appointments or the doctors that are in the system. And then when you find the doctor that you're here to check in for.
Dr. Susan Jones, cardiology. Dr. Ann Tables, respiratory. Dr. Melissa Phoenix, oncology.
I'm seeing Dr. Melissa Phoenix, so I'm going to select her. Again, we've moved to the next screen because I've pressed one of the buttons of the keypad. It's now reconfirming my selection. It's also offering the option to go back in case I've got the wrong doctor today. So I'm going to carry on to confirm my appointment. And again, there's that continuous audio stream of instructions for the user who might not be able to see the screen. So it's now saying confirm my appointment. So I'm going to press the center enter key to continue. It's confirming that I've checked in for my appointment, and it's telling me, my ticket number and where I need to go to meet that doctor. So it's all being provided audibly for people who can't see, and this tactile interface of the keypad has very tactile idents on the buttons, so anybody who's sight impaired, who's discovering the world by touch, would be able to easily locate those buttons, understand the arrows on the buttons, to move up and down and left and right through the options, and pressing the center enter button to confirm their selection. Again, supported by audio. The software also has to be compliant, but we have partners that can help you with that, because sharing the booth with me at this show is actually our partners from Vispero who create Jaws Kiosk, which is a brilliant screen reader for self-service applications. Kiosk Innovations have provided us this kiosk, and we also have another one there from Pyramid America. So there's lots of options when you're creating these self-service applications for your medical facilities, for your patients to check in with. Please think about those patients who maybe can't see or can't physically interact with a touchscreen. It is the law, but it's also the best thing for your patients. It's that level of customer care that they're expecting. So if you would like more information, we're at Storm Interface, and you can find us on the web at storm-interface.com.